Good morning, everybody. Welcome to Jeff Rose Country Living. This morning I'm trying to decide, am I going to let the chickens out right away? I had planned on coming over here and getting these steps done. It won't take just a few minutes, but it's an 80% chance of rain, and if I let the chickens out, I'm sure the nosy behinds will walk right in it. Or I can just play the waiting game, and since I started cleaning out the coop, I can finish cleaning out the coop. Maybe it'll rain, maybe it won't. Put new pine shavings in there and possibly get them both done this morning before it starts raining. If I let them out, they will run back in as soon as it starts to rain. So let me gather some things up. I'll be right back. I kind of decided I am going to wait. I see they're making sounds of I'm getting ready to lay some eggs. I just laid some eggs. I'm going to keep them in there for probably another hour. You hear that? That's one female hen telling the rest, I'm getting ready to lay an egg. Y'all stay away. So I'm going to wait a little while, check the weatherman. Still going to gather the cement up. I'm going to gather everything I need to clean this up. In the next hour, I'm going to do something. I want to get them steps done. And I also decided, since I've going to do those steps, let's do these. You see the pallet keeps breaking. So it's time to get rid of that pallet. Get some cinder blocks, some more concrete, and get to it. Listen to the hens. Thank you for watching, everybody. I'll be right back.